Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to unbox this parcel that Factornote sent me, and I'm so excited, so let's unbox this. So here we have the Happy Hamper of 2023, and I'm already loving the box already because of these adorable doodles on this, and it is quite sturdy also, so I'm definitely going to reuse this. Here it is the design of the planner, so let's unbox this and let's see what's there inside. First we have this kind of letter which says hello and all. Later on we have this cool cactus baggage tag. You can attach it on your bags and anything. Then later on another adorable thing which is a fridge magnet, and it says do what you love. Thereafter we have these pretty sticky notes, and to be honest these are so aesthetic and I love their pastel shades. They're having 8 designs or patterns and I'm loving all of them. Further we have this cute little desk calendar which says fruitful, and the first page we have is of reminders. You can add any reminder if you want to, and then later on it is every month in which fruits are illustrated, and these are so amazing. And now we have the most adorable thing, this sticker book, and it says it has more than 500 stickers. So here this is a quick flip through of this sticker book. They are having so many stickers. The next thing here we have is this Happy Meal, and this lock design and everything is so aesthetic. Here we have some postcards, and these are all different, and some are having inspirational quotes and some are having wishes, and then behind this you can write anything you want and then you can send it to your loved ones. Another thing we are having in this Happy Meal are these bookmarks, and these are giving me boho vibes. Behind this they are written some inspirational quotes which will inspire you to read, and this is amazing. The next thing which we are having are these posters, and talking about its quality, it's literally wonderful, and the designs you can see, these are so pretty. I'm definitely going to stick it somewhere on my wall near my desk, or I'm going to hang it on my mesh board. Now the most awaited thing, this 2023 planner. The cover says self-love is the best love, and indeed it is. So here you can write your name, and then later on you can write your goals, top 5 goals for 2023. On the next page we have some ideas that Factornote has suggested us to do in the upcoming year. Later there is this vision board, and then 2022 overview. You can write the things you do not want to repeat in 2023 and everything else. And there are some cool monthly dividers also, and here's a quick flip through of this planner. Do let me know in the comments if you want a full detailed review video about this planner. There are some more cute stickers behind this also. So that's it for the things inside the planner, and now I will keep the box aside. And talking about the cover of this planner, this is so soft and smooth. This is having a matte finish, and I will give it a 10 on 10. Further, they are having some bookmarks also inside it. At the back of this planner we are having this elastic band also. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did so, make sure you subscribe my channel and like this video. Do let me know in the comment what you want next. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.